To perform basic smart or AI search with our VMS software, note that our device needs to be already connected. We go to Playback. In Playback, we can perform both basic and smart search. For basic search, we need to add a device, in our case, our NVR, as you can see here, and these are the cameras. You can perform basic search on all 4 cameras at once. If we select all the cameras, select the particular day we want to perform the search for. Let's say 11th. And click on Search. It's going to perform the search and display the footage, as you can see down below. If you click on Play, everything starts playing and you can see the different searches for different things. You can click anywhere in the timeline to play the recording for that duration or that time. This is how to perform basic search. For Smart Search, we do this by coming to the second tab labeled Smart. Note that for Smart Search, you can perform Smart Search only on one channel at a time. As you can see, I tried adding a second channel, but got the error message at the bottom right corner, telling me I can only perform this on one channel. For Smart Search, same as Basic Search, you can choose the parameters to search for from the filters. And once you do that, select the date you want and click on Search. Now this is going to search and you can see down below the video footage for this channel. If you click on Play, the footage for that camera is going to start playing from the beginning. Now what differentiates Basic and Smart Search is this search icon at the right side of the screen. If you click it, this page is going to open up. In this page, this is where you perform Smart Search. You do that by easily drawing where you want a search performed. Say you want the search to be performed here because you want to see all that happened in this region and you want to search for human and vehicles detected in that region. You do this. Choose the parameter you want and then click on Search icon. Once you do that, it's going to perform Smart Search in that region and show you all the movements in the region, which is what you're seeing down below here. You can click on any of them to see the footage captured for that duration. All the movements happening in the rectangle you drew is what you are going to get. This is how to perform Smart Search. To perform AI search, we come back to the home page and click on the 5th icon, which is AI Search. Once you click on that, you have the option to perform different kinds of searches. Either face detection, human and vehicle, repeat visitors, license plate. Say you want to perform human and vehicle search, you select that. Select the camera or cameras you want to perform this search on and click on Search. It's going to show you all the vehicles that were detected for that search period. You can always fine-tune any of the searches by being more specific with the dates and times. This is how to perform basic, smart and AI search using the VMS software.